Hey everybody, welcome to my video. Today I'm going to make a rocket and rocket launcher for my brother Abby, who's sitting right next to me. Say hi, Abby. Hi! He's a bit shouty today. And so for this craft you'll need 2 strips of paper. One has to be wider than the other. 2 paintbrushes.
Claws look like Santa Claus.
Oh. And you'll need 2 paintbrushes. One has to be wider than the other.
And the claws to make that one is long.
1 paper cone, glue, and some scissors.
And scissors.
So let's make a start to making the craft.
I love loud like Grumpy Rabbit.
He's a bit talkative today. So first what we're going to do is we're going to take our little brush and we're just going to roll 1 step and try and make it really tight. Oh no, Abby, what are you doing? Don't do that. You're going to do the paintbrush. Okay, Abby, could you give me the glue, please? Thank you. Oh no, it went up. Okay. That paper. No, Abby. What are you doing? See? What did you do? Okay. Now we're going to take our glue and just glue it a strip down there. There we go. And just keep on rolling.
Let's try again.
It's going sideways now. That's okay. Okay, now we're just going to take the glue again and glue it down.
Addy, give me glue.
What are you doing? What did you do? Okay, now we're just going to cut it out. Don't glue it. And take it out. There we go. So now we finished that strip. Now we're going to do the other one. So this is for the rocket's body. So we'll try and make it straight.
Addy, don't break it.
Whoa. And this one has to be wider than the other because the rocket's body is just going to slip through there.
Okay.
Yeah.
I have to.
Now we're going to glue.
Why are you gonna make my hand close? But you need to scratch.
There we go. And now we're just going to roll it all the way there. And that's enough. Oh, no, don't glue that. Don't want to glue that bit. Oh no, he's making something. Okay. Don't do that, Abby. I'm just going to swirl it up a bit more. From the leftover paper he's making something. Okay, that bit's a bit unequal, so we can just cut that up there. A bit down. There we go. That should fit in there. There. Now we need the cone.
What?
Yeah, we need the glue, please.
We need a corn for me.
Glue, put some glue in there.
Oh.
Don't be sad. Okay, then just gonna place it in there. It should stick on. Just wait for it to dry a bit.
The horn, please.
No, we need that. It looks a bit like a tree. Okay, so it should slot in there, and I'm gonna try and blow it. Yay! Went. So that's the rocket launcher finished. So that's the finished rocket launcher right there. And Abby, did you like this rocket launcher? Yeah, he liked it a lot. And you can blow it out as many times as you want. But that bit might fall off if you didn't let it dry. And it can go pretty far if you blow it, like that. If you blow it hard, it will go really far. If you blow it, I don't know, a bit weakly, it will just go, I don't know, a few centimeters.
Anybody, you like
and
this?
if you like this rocket launcher and this video, please subscribe to my channel and also hit the like button. And if you like my video, please subscribe. I hope you enjoyed.
Like
Thanks
my
for
video,
watching.
you're right to right. Bye.